So before I start this video, just want to say I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I can't tell you what exchange to actually use or what trading pairs to trade. You must do your own research. Am I affiliated with BYDFI? Yes, I am. They are our sponsor of the channel. However, I'm going to explain a couple of things here. First of all, when I look at an exchange to trade on, I want to know a few things. And I've traded on many different exchanges. I've promoted many different exchanges. Now there's only two on my YouTube channel, which I do use on a daily basis. BYDFI, I just put this into ChatGPT basically, yeah. And this is what ChatGPT came up. Said what looks good, pros and cons. Offers spot trading, futures, perpetual, margin, grid bots, copy trading, etc. Great. Large number of crypto pairs and coins. Good leverage on futures in many cases. I've seen good leverage, but leverage doesn't matter if you know how to use leverage correctly. It doesn't really matter. What's important is margin and risk management. I teach this in my Telegram group, which is free to join, providing you got either a BYDFI account or a MEXC account. If you've got a BYDFI account, you do get extra bonuses. The fees are relatively competitive. To be honest, I think they're one of the lowest in fees, to be honest, in comparison to other exchanges. I've had issues with some other exchanges where they have network errors and they crash and this happens and that happens, etc. So this is what's important for me and my users. They are licensing in the United States and Canada. This is very big, very big, and they follow compliance, etc. as well. Now, another thing which is quite important when you're choosing an exchange is the proof of reserves. Yeah, so they never misuse user funds, maintains 100% reserve for all user assets. This is big, guys. This is big. This is what you call a professional exchange. Yeah, they even got this on their Twitter page as well. Sorry, X page as well. So this is very big, to be honest. What else I look for is something called partnerships. Now there are a couple of exchanges out there that have tied in with, say, F1 or football. I really like football because when you have a partnership with a football team, especially in the UK, a Premiership team, they're not going to just partner with anybody. Do you understand? And this is what I like about BYDFI. If you head over to Newcastle United, which is actually a good football team, I am into football, so this is a very good team. But look at this, official partners. Just look at their partners. These are big names: JD Sports, Saudia, Fenwick, Carlink, Red Bull, the Guinness. These are not small partners, and there you have BYDFI. So this is another reason I actually use this exchange and why I partner with them, because they're fantastic. Now, if you use my link in the description below, you're going to get a bonus. Now, if you head over to my YouTube channel, you can click on any of these videos. This is actually a good video to watch as well, how I profit in these markets, but we'll click on today's video. Let me just pause that. And if you come down here, click on BYDFI, and that will take you to the registration page. And you can see they've got 5 years of reliable trading, over 500,000 memes on chain, 800 BTC protection fund, 13,000 bonus grabs. So if you do actually use my link, you're going to get a $200 bonus on a $1,000 deposit, which you can use towards your trading. And I actually found this article which actually explains the whole game plan for BYD and Newcastle. This is not a sponsorship, guys. This is a partnership, and that's very big. So there is other benefits of using BYD. You can actually apply for this BYDFI card, which I have applied for. This is pretty amazing. I mean, look at this Visa. That's just amazing. So if you do want a good, reliable exchange, always look at the exchange. Do they have proof of reserves? How long they've been active for? Is any bad press about them? You'll find nothing on this exchange. It's actually a very good exchange, and that's why I've partnered with them for my YouTube channel. Now, if you do actually click on my link, you'll get a bonus and trading volume bonuses, but more importantly, you'll have free access to my trading community where I educate you on how to profit daily. Okay guys, thank you very much. Short video. See you soon.